Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In this video, I think I have 5 different job leads that are no talking, non-phone based. Yesterday, I shared a big video of customer service phone-based jobs, so I'm trying to mix it up, have a little bit of something for everyone. I have seen the comments where people are looking for part-time jobs, so I do plan on doing a video, hopefully maybe tomorrow, with some part-time positions. But of course, if there's anything specific that you are looking for, let me know down in the comments. I never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about searching the internet, trying to weed out all the scams, trying to find the best remote work from home jobs that are hiring right now, and we share them on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and if you want to put an application into any of these, there is a link in the YouTube description box that will take you to a page with summaries and links to everything that I share. But without wasting any more time, first up, we have the company Ziff Davis. Now, Ziff Davis is a digital media and internet focused company. They work with a bunch of bigger brands. Their portfolio includes brands in the technology, shopping, gaming, and entertainment field. They do have 99 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a shopping reporter for their Mashable division. Now, of course, this is remote for the United States. Everything that I share is going to be for the United States. Unfortunately, I do share some international jobs occasionally when I come across them, but my expertise is in the United States job market, since that is where I live and where I work as a hiring manager. But Ziff Davis and Mashable is looking for somebody to start the day scouring the internet, researching, looking for the best shopping deals that are out there, and writing stories rounding up the best sales for the day. So you're like gonna go find all the good deals and share them with everyone. You are going to lead your shopping knowledge in a series of reviews and roundups outlining the best of categories, being focused on how-to stories for their readers for shopping and spending their money more wisely. So you're going to balance multiple projects at the same time, trying to meet deadlines of when these are going to be done. You are going to be expected to work during shopping holidays like Amazon Prime Day, like Cyber Monday, Cyber Week, Black Friday, all of those big shopping days. You'll be required to make sure that you are staying on top of deals during those times. Now, as far as what they're looking for, they want somebody who has some experience in journalism and finding deals around the web, someone who understands SEO and writing for the internet. Of course, you've got to have great grammar, spelling, and usage of like the Oxford comma, things like that. Be a multitasker and be able to hit those deadlines. But pay for this position is listed all the way down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $60,000 a year up to $65,000 a year. And they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, paid time off, 401k. But moving right along, next up we have the company LeetCode. Now, LeetCode only has 19 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees. They seem to be more of like a newer startup type company. So as always, I urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them any of your personal information. They do have a 3.7 out of 5 star rating. They are looking for a customer support associate remote for the United States, and their customer support is going to be through all non-phone channels like email, social media, online discussion forums, things like that. But they are looking for somebody to basically address their customer inquiries, email discussion forums, social media channels, just facilitating that support and coordination across internal departments, identifying and troubleshooting technical issues reported by the customers, and educating the customers on their product features and benefits, and escalating any complex issues that you can't solve up to other teams. So you're going to help contribute to the ongoing improvement process, providing feedback on product functionality functionality and the user experience and how the users are actually using the product. Now, they do say that they do prefer a bachelor or want a bachelor degree for this position. I do believe this is the only position I'm sharing that requires a degree. They want somebody who has customer service experience, great problem solving and troubleshooting experience or skills, great communication skills, so you've got to be able to multitask and be detail oriented. Now, they are looking for somebody who has done like online customer support before. You've worked with software like Zendesk or some kind of CRM systems. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay in their job description. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. I don't work for any of these companies. I am simply sharing what I find online. But this next one is paying you $136 a day plus $1,000 up front to process images. The company is Cranial Technologies. They have 172 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for an image processing specialist to work remote. So they're looking for somebody to work with 3D software processing images. You're going to generate DSI analysis reports from their 3D images using VAM, which includes photos and measurements. You're going to register before and after 3D images, creating comparison reports from the before and after images, assisting the department with reviewing and auditing these 3D images, running these software applications on these images. So you're going to have to work and be the go-between between multiple departments regarding reporting and measurements for these 3D images. But they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has strong visual perception skills, someone who has an analytical or reporting mindset. You can pay attention to the details given and pull out like those small details. So you've got to have great communication skills and great time management skills. Now, of course, working with 3D images, you have to have a great computer skills. They prefer somebody who does have experience with 3D software or like 3D Max, Rhino, Cam, CAD, all of these specific softwares, but it's not required. If you have those skills, though, that is a plus and will get you to the top of the line. They do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off. Pay is $17 an hour, and they are giving you a $1,000 sign-on bonus, so you get $1,000 just for accepting the job. Moving right along, though, if 3D images is not your thing, next up we have Vail Resorts. They have 2,400 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an HR services specialist quality assurance. Now, this is remote for the United States. Basically, you're going to help their HR or human resources department making sure that everything is done in a quality manner. You're going to be the quality review point person. So pay is anywhere from $23 an hour all the way up to $29.59 an hour. But you'll be ensuring that the team is meeting and exceeding their quality performance metrics that are set for them. So you're going to consistently do quality monitoring. So you're going to review their case workload, making sure it was worked in a quality manner. Any phone calls that they've done, you're going to listen to those phone calls, making sure the call was of quality. And you're going to do any employee feedback. You're going to work closely with the managers and leadership team, ensuring that training around moments that matter. So you're going to take all of these calls and all of these things that you're looking for the quality of. You're going to find trends and make sure that anything that needs more training is done. So you're basically acting as a mentor and resource for providing ongoing support and guidance to all of the employees, just making sure that the customer service for their HR team is always up on best practices. So they do want somebody who has 1 year experience in some kind of HR or customer service support role. So you got to have great communication skills and a passion for delivering that great customer service with attentiveness and responsiveness, because you're going to be the quality person that's telling other people how to better themselves. You've got to have strong organizational skills. Now, no college degree is actually needed, while they do prefer an associate's degree. So if you have a degree, it might get you to the top of the line. It is preferred and not required, as long as you are self-motivated and a self-starter. And they do offer a standard benefit package. And last but not least, we have the company iHerb. They have 697 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. and they are hiring a customer service quality control lead. Now, I did share this a while back. I can't remember if it's been a month or two, so I'm not sure if they are hiring again or if they are still looking. So that's why I left this one to last, because I have shared it in the past, but they are still accepting applications. So I just thought I would share again, because this is another non-phone position where you're basically evaluating the performance of the customer service representatives based on quality metrics. So you're going to be listening to those recorded phone calls and basically giving their feedback. You're going to make sure the customer service representatives are following company policies and procedures. And if there's any quality issues with the information or their calls, you're going to identify those underlying problems or trends, working with departments to address those issues affecting customer service quality. So you're basically the one reviewing everything that's going on and giving your opinion and feedback, helping people be better at their jobs. They are looking for somebody who has great communication skills, someone who is professional and knowledge in all customer service principles. Now, it does say bilingual may be required, English and any other language. It doesn't say it is required. It says it may be required. So I'm not sure if that's still, they're really looking for someone who is bilingual, but you have to definitely be a problem solver and be adaptable and work in high stress situations. Pay for this one is listed all the way down at the bottom. It's $24.75 an hour, all the way up to $40.51 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything, again, that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.